it's time to set up the tropical roof. You have to do this as a part of setting up the tent process. So you see I've got the tropical roof dangling down from the top here and the canvas out as if I'm setting up the tent normally. So the first thing you've got to do is go inside the van and grab these fiberglass bows. They basically slide up inside little pockets here, right up to the top of the roof. And you'll see I'm just sliding it all the way in, and then up here, I'm locating it inside the socket. Then at the far end, just making sure I've got some pressure applied to it, and I'm velcroing that into place. The next stage is to place this in a bit of a bow. And so to achieve that, I'm bringing it down to the ground and I'm flexing it. I reach under here to what is the top corner of the Tvan tent. So it would be right up the top. And it's the usual eyelet that we use to lock it in place. Then, using the strap, I tuck it through both halves of the D, just like adjusting a strap on a bicycle helmet. And then I apply a little bit of pressure. Now you don't want to do that up too tight, but you also don't want to do it up too loose, because when we let the hatch go up and set up the rest of the tent, we don't want this to have the ability to pop out. Got to do the same on the other side now. So we've now gone and put the fiberglass bows in both sides of the tent. Then it's just a matter of taking the pressure off with the strap here, letting the hatch go all the way up and setting up the Tvan tent as per normal. We don't need to do a thing to this until we've finished setting up the tent completely. Great, so we've now fully set up the tent. The last bit of adjustment we have to do is just pushing this rod and pinching up just that last small bit of the adjustment strap. And now the tropical roof is doing exactly as it should. It's taking direct sunlight off the top of the tent and keeping the tent cooler.